screen, and it will process the logic and give the output. So in this selection screen, we have completed some of the event. There are 4 5 event. We have completed it. Just we are at the last only. I will cover this for you also, who is new join. New join. Yeah, this is the program. So you can check here this material number, right? Material number. Suppose you will give any number, right? Suppose I am giving this number. Based on your this input, this will come description. So there are two description. One is in Germany language, one is in English language. So you can click and it will get material description. So this this is the logic for this. So first you will pass the reference field here, and then you will read the reference field and you will go in MAKT. MAKT is the table where material description is stored. You can go to SE16N MAKT. So this is the table where you can see the material number as per the language description is stored here. So you can go and use the select queries and capture all the list of material description, and that you can display in your selection screen using this F4 function module. So like this it is working. Okay, so yesterday we are here. After 1 year, after 1 hour, the meeting will over, right? So you can rejoin actually. So yeah, you got it. Hello, got it, Subham. Ali. Hi, Ali.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Yeah, do you have any question
No, sir. For actually, I'm having lunch right now. I
right
was
now?
working on requirement.
So where is selection screen? Yeah, and this one is over, right? Now, yeah, selection screen, there is no any more topic is there. So we have modify ID, value, list, sub screen, and based on the previous field, we can view the F4 in the next field. So these are the total selection screen is finished actually. If you have any doubt, let me know. Hi Subham and Ali. Those rest people don't have idea right now. I will cover them for in the next class. Means I
Yes,
will
sir.
cover. I will schedule next separate class for them.
Sure, sir.
Okay. So for
Mhm.
you guys, it is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please practice it. Okay,
Sure, sir.
and then we can continue.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now coming to this one. So this is the template. Okay, I will share you in the chat. Okay, whenever you are going to write any new program, this is the template you have to maintain. Okay, suppose I'm going to create a new program. Okay, so string manipulation. Okay, so you since this is the program, right? This is the report program. So here you can provide this template. Okay, one second. Yeah, now good. So here you can give report name, module you can give. Suppose you are going to start a new program for sales and distribution. For sales distribution, your purpose of this program, like a report program to display sales data, right? Request number you can give like ECDK 21917, whatever the TR, right? No TR, the ticket. So you will receive one ticket, right? Based on the ticket you will work. So you can give ticket. Okay, so like that. Technical specification, what is the technical issue, what is date, like when what it is created, 01/07/2026. Author you can give Subham, right? Subham created this program, requested by something Ali, like Ali is the functional who given the requirement from SD team. Okay, suppose business logic. What is the logics? Business logic side. uh, Display sales data, anything you can give. Coding logic, so bbak, bbap. So what is the logic you gone through? Simply you can give this one, no need that much. You can remove it also, but yeah, this is the template actually. Yeah, so modification date. Suppose this already existing program you are working, right? Then you can go with modification date, when what is it is modified, by whom it is modified, what is the reference and reference ticket number, and is there any OSS not implement for this, or you have done the code fix, like bug fix in the program. And change request, what is the change request for this? So these are the detail you have to maintain. This is mandatory actually for each one, everyone in the organization. So if anyone come in the next day, right, next, like you will leave the project, then anyone newcomer will come in the project and he can see this template in the program and he can understand when this program was created and who is created and what is the business logic, what is the, so by reading this he can visualize the program, what is the purpose of this program, and when it is modified, right. So through request number he can change in the program search, he can search in the program and check where at what location these changes was done. Suppose, hello, got it right? Yeah, track, yes, 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 track. Suppose I'm giving here uh, control D, okay. Suppose I'm giving 2101 slash 01 slash 2027 2027 I have done the changes, okay. And my request number, suppose CRG 12456, right. So this number I will search in the program. So where, suppose in line number 29 I have done, so I will do what, I will just first comment what, comment, right, control comment begin of code by my id, suppose, okay, AP 001, suppose on 01 01 slash 2027, and change request I will provide. And what is the purpose of changes? Adding logic for sales order, right? Suppose new order came in the organization and it is hard coded in the program, okay. So you will add some order, begin or end of code, like that. So you can see this type of coding, and here you will, here will be piece of code, right. Some piece of code will be there. So by this change request you can search in the program, right. How you will search? You will search from here binocular, and like this you can search master program, right. It will display here, okay. At this location the changes were done by this person at this date. This is the change request and this is the logic, right. So in program actually there is number of lines of code, right. 1000, 2000, 5000 line of codes. How you can search where exactly last changes was done, right. So this is the way programmer can understand the existing program having these changes, and this was changes was done by at this time. And anyone can search. Suppose there is non-programmer, non-technical person, he can also search and find the logic, right. Okay, this logic is written for the sales order type, for the new order type. Here you will mention, right, description, why these changes was done. So any non-programmer also can understand. Because of this only we have to maintain this. This is mandatory actually, to make better understanding of the program for everyone. Non-programmer also can understand what is written in the program, why this program used for. So that's why I'm explaining here, because everyone missing this one. Even 5 year 10 years experience people also missing this information. They are not maintaining proper, and because of this there are multiple issues and escalation happening in the real time, okay. Now AI came. AI can understand this program easily if you written something like that, and he can also suggest to create the technical document. Suppose you want to create the technical document, right, from this program. So AI can create the technical document from this program if you maintain this log information, correct? Vice versa, if in the technical document all detail is there, then you can develop one program also using AI, right? So comment is everywhere is necessary. For each step also you have to write the comment to make understand um, everyone. Okay. Okay, so string manipulation, right? So string manipulation, as we know, all right, there are many things in the string manipulation. So I will start from. So what happened whenever we get some complex logic and something different logic, right? Then we have to use the string data type. Okay, let me go to, yeah. First, I will wait 1 minute. First, I will use the PPT. Where is the PPT for this? Yeah, string manipulation. Yeah, this one I am looking. A little bit, I am also forgetting something. Yeah. So let me start with the string manipulation of the data. Is the process of manipulating the values to the required format using various manipulation command like split, shifting, condense, concatenate. In Excel, we are using concatenate. You remember, right? So whenever you are working in Excel, right, you have to do many things. Suppose you want to concatenate two column, right? Two values, then you can use the concatenate. In sometimes what happen, business is giving some file to split the data. Suppose there is GS uh, one, what is GSTIN number, right? In that, GST and PAN both are included. So you want to split that data, right? So you can split. And also shifting, suppose we will use sometimes leading zeros, right? There is number, before the number there are many zeros will come, right? You have to eliminate this zero. Then in Excel we have to go and we have to use the character, right? And general, you have to do some settings, then only it will remove the zeros. Condense, right? Some extra space will, if there is some text and extra space is there, then you want to condense the text. Translate, suppose there is lower case and upper case, you want to translate the text, then you can use the translate. Convert text, you can convert also. Overlay, replace, means you want to replace some value. Search, you, if there is some letter you want to search, right, you can search it. So like that we have 1 second. Okay, so for concatenate, combine two or more separate string into one. Right? Yeah, this one I have told you. This is the example for the concatenate. Okay, so how it is concatenating using system date. Okay, here is the split, right? Directories is there, and now how you can split the data using the delimiter. This one also I will this is very useful actually. Split one. Going to, yeah, there here you can see, here you can see split a characteristic into one smaller string. It is splitting into multiple string. This one example only you can understand, but I'm showing you how it works. Like if you want to split into internal table, right, then also you can um, use this, and it is also useful while working with some suppose there is some like XML, right? XML we are using, JSON APIs. At the time we are using this statement splitting into internal table. Yeah, this is also same thing only written into three ways. Shifting left and right circular. So there are three ways of shifting: left, right, circular. Left means if the leading zeros left side of the character, then it will shift, and if it is right side, then it will shift from the right side. And circular, it will move from left to right. Position, circulars position left, so that and character will be left appear on the right. Okay, same thing here also. Condense, there is no space inside the character. Translate to uppercase, lowercase, yeah, that is also same thing I have. Convert text into sortable code. Okay, overlay, overlay one string with another string. The content of the field C2 overlay the field C1 in all position where C1 has the value space. Okay, we can use this statement and we can check the output. What could be just over? It will replace the value.
Okay, sir.
um, and existing data will not replace. It will be unchanged. Only the current data it will overlay. We will check. Okay, in the code, replace, yeah, same thing. Here is the example also. See here, temp slash mat, yeah, and dot text, right? Replace, okay, replace and with system date into the, this is the replace actually. Search, this is also we are using when we work with the API mostly. but everywhere as the business requirement we are using anywhere. But APIs we have, I have used lot this search. Yeah, this is offset. Offset is also useful to compare the data and provide the logic. Okay. Conditional operation. Okay. So conditional operation you already know. If and else if in other programming logic also we have the same thing. When the statement true, then it will execute, or else it will go into else if condition and execute. That same thing here also. Case statement, and what is difference between case and if and else if? Do you know?
Yes, sir. In if we can write only one condition, and in else if we can write multiple conditions.
If condition also you can write multiple condition, right? Condition 1, condition 2, condition 3, right? Here also you can write many things. Performance wise, okay. Performance wise, case statement is uh, better actually. Why? Here first it will check the value, right? Case this, check the value, then it will go inside. Okay. But here for anything it will go inside and check all conditions, right? But here first it will check the condition case statement, then it will go inside and compare the value. First check and compare, right? But if condition, both will do at a time. Okay. So performance wise, case statement is faster. Same same with the loop command, like unconditional loop and conditional loop, right? Do and do and while, which is good actually. Depend on scenario you can use. It is not like that. So do statement, it will check n times, right? So how many times you want to do it, right? Suppose 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, how many times it will you want to do. So you can write your syntax like that, and it will first check. Okay. But in while condition, first it will verify the condition, then it will loop, right? That's why it is called conditional loop, and it is called unconditional loop. Okay, so this is the difference. Performance wise, if the same logic, same thing, if you are written in while and end while, it will be faster. Okay. But some conditions you don't, sometimes you don't know the condition, right? At the time do and do is better. Same for if. Sometimes you like condition, you know, only we have only one condition, right? Then what you will do, you will write that only if size of rc equal to 0, then execute it. If not, then come out. Correct. So like that, depend on your logic how you are going to write comparison operator. Yeah, I've said, right? Size of rc is not initial. If condition, if size of rc is not initial, then execute your code. If not, then come out. If the value is between this and this, then execute your code. If value is not there, then don't execute it. And compare character field. Compare character field means contain only, contains not only, contains any, contains not any, contains string, contains not string, contains pattern, contains no pattern. So what happen? Depend on your logic. You have to select which comparing characters, comparing operator you can use, right? Contains only. Suppose you want to check some string, which is check some value which is present in the string, right? Then you can use contain only. If any, suppose you are searching a letter in any string, if it is there, then you execute your code, then you can use contains only. And not only, uh, if it is not there, yeah, one example is there for this. Suppose there are incident, right? If any incident is open, right, then display me the number of incident, how many incident is there in open. So at that time we can use contents only. Okay. Not only, not only means, suppose group, I want only for like not means I want only for SAP group, right? I don't want other group, correct? But in SAP also we have multiple, like functional development, all these thing, right? So there is some group, right? You don't want that group, so you want to like exclude that group. At that condition you can write contains not only, means this group should not be there, right? There is two thing, SAP group and non SAP group. So non SAP group having many thing, right? So I will take only those incident which is non SAP, right? At that scenario we can use not only. We are using this in the while giving in the incident and service request, right? We have the service request, that time we are giving all these things. Contains any, contains any means you can write in the string. We can see the example, right? How we can search the string. We can create one demo. Okay. Patterns, same thing only. uh, you can, by definition only, you can understand. If there any pattern is matching, then you can display. If there is no any pattern matching, then just come out from the program, like come out from the logic. This is all about this. It is useful actually in many places to compare the string. Okay. So when it is useful, suppose there is some file coming from outside, okay, and that file you want to execute in your SAP for the like payment, anything payment also, for posting. So at that time this is very useful. Okay. Get two number from the user and compute. Yeah. So scenario is this, like this is what comparison. Yeah, this one is for like manipulation of two values, like how you can manipulate, add, subtract, multiply, divide, right? Right, this one. Hmm. So this is example. Scenario one is this, scenario two is this. Okay. So there is a string offset. Offset, it is using only to display from here to here, right? Then we can use a shift. You want to shift, what you want to shift, program you want to shift from uh, right to left, then you can use shift. Translate, it is translating. Overlay, yeah, overlay means this is space, right? Space is overlay by this hyper. Okay, replace, you want to replace second program, first by second. Search, if you want to search something, my first program, so it will print like this is the scenario, some scenario it is giving. Scenario 3, you can go with this scenario. I will give you this document. Okay, so get two values, this is for the practical. Okay, you can do the practical. If I will explain, then no use, right? You can first go, right? Then you can think and you can write your program based on this scenario, four scenario. So you have to, this is the uh, you have to write the program using this. Okay, how you want to do is depend on you. Okay, I will give you this document. This is your task actually. Scenario one, two, three, four. Four scenario is there. This is the task for you. Okay, I will give you this document. Now, string, right? Already it is open, I think so. Okay, so let me go one by one. Yeah, data, data. This one I have explained, right? ZV underscore string type. If again this one, like if you are defining multiple times variable, right? Then repeated work is here data, right? Data, 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 like that. So to avoid multiple time data, we can use this colon. Okay, and here you can give comma. So you can define like that. Okay, so now going to define the value. Okay, value my first program in this batch. Okay, and I am writing here write statement is used to print the value, string. So this my first program in this batch. Okay, there is repeated header, right? So what is the syntax? No standard page heading, right? So now this page heading is went off, right? So this is the string. Right, now I want to translate it. Suppose you want to translate ZV to uppercase, right? Then it will translate to uppercase, and lowercase is lowercase, like that you can do. Okay, now offset I have said, right? So offset I will display like this. Okay, then same thing I will pass in different string. This is equal to, this is, I'm moving values from this to this, and I will print next line. Slash means next line. Skip means it will skip. Suppose here I'm skip 3. It won't work. Okay. So you have to close first this, and here this, and again you have to write ZV string string. Offset means what? This is used for translate, right? Translate. And here I'm going to use offset. Suppose I don't want my, the one two, right? So I will start with 0 0 plus. So where I have to write? Here I think so. 0 plus 0, 2, right? 2. Sorry. Here I will write 2. Okay, from 2 it will start. Okay, I will write only this 2 one. I want to print only two values. Okay, how I can print? See here, my, this is called offset. Okay, my is coming. Now I want to print last one. Okay, so how I will print? I have to give here first total length of the uh, string. The total length, how you can find? strlen. Let me data lv length of string equal to zv underscore string. Okay, zv underscore string. And here, yes, I just forget the syntax. Length. Hello. Yeah, yeah, this is gv string. Here I have not giving demo for string. Okay, yeah, something I forgot actually. Okay, no issue. Here I have not given length. Yeah, here length is there, right? Let me check. Yeah, this is strlen. Strlen. Yeah, it is correct only. Strlen space. Yeah. So now the total length we have in this variable. Okay. So in this variable we have length. So here we can give like this and write a statement here like this to this sub this. Okay. Here I can give skip. Yeah, skip. Only one skip I can give. Not occupy much space. So here total length is 30. Okay. So now I'm counting from 2, right? So then 2, then we have to remove from 30 to 2. Okay. So let me remove this SC38. So 2 I'm going to mention, right? So if 2 you are mentioning equal to minus 2. Yeah, now it is coming first program in this search batch, correct? Okay. Then skip. This is offset. What we are printing here? Offset and offset. Okay. Now what is there after translate, offset, and yeah, concatenate, right? Suppose you have another variable. Okay. Just declare one variable. Okay. Here 2. Okay. So here you can mention in 2027, correct? So now concatenate. Okay. So there are two, three syntax. Old syntax is concatenate. Concatenate this string and this to string to into any other string, right? Suppose I am taking, I will take this one, this string. Okay, let me take this string, this string. Write statement, this one. PT printer you have to use every time. Okay, so see here, my first program in this batch in 2027, but there is no space. Okay, got it? So not space, for space what you have to do separated by space you can put. Okay, if you will put space then it will come space. If you will put star you can put star, you can put anything. Okay. Okay, any special character, we are putting a special character also when you are placing files into, we are sending some files to another customer, then there is a customer number slash comma we are putting. Okay, separated by space. Suppose you want delimiter, okay, we can use delimiter also. uh, Suppose we are using pipe symbol, right? So like this also we are doing in real scenarios, we are doing like this only. Okay, so it will differentiate the each column, correct? Suppose one column, two column, three column, four column, five column, it will differentiate with pipe symbols. Okay, and they can split, customer can split and they can use it. Okay, so we are using this. So what is the new syntax for this? What is the final variable? This is the final string. You can give here final string equal to pipe symbol, right? Then you can use this. This is this new syntax. Okay, and this one, and you have to give space after bracket. Okay, then only it will work. Sorry. Yeah, so here one thing, you have to not give any separated by, nothing you have to pass directly, you can. So here you can see here it is not separated, right? So how, what to do? You have to not pass separated by, you have to give just space. Okay, if you'll give space, then it will come here as a space. Okay, if you don't want to give space, just colon, pipe symbol, colon. Okay, sorry, what happened? Okay, pipe symbol, it is raising this comma. Suppose I'm using comma. Okay, see, okay, sorry, we don't need to give all this thing. Just comma I will give, right? This is the new syntax actually. See here, comma will come. Okay, so like this it works in the concatenating, how you're concatenate and send data to customer. What is in other one? Okay, I'm go first from first. Initialization. This is okay. This is color I have explained last time only. I have explained this color one, right? Let me execute this. This one I will put in the first. Okay. So where I will put, here I will put, and I will put skip. Okay. So this is hard coded program for the string manipulation. Okay, and look nice, right? So 20 will skip some lines and it will start. Okay, and it will give the color. Okay, this already I have explained in some other program. I think so. Yes, yes. Okay. Yeah, hi Subham. So it's good, right? Understanding, right? This is string manipulation.
Yes.
That not much difficult, simple one. Only one thing we have to remember, right? What I have to do. Okay. So yeah, this one I will go first one by one. So this is clear statement. Okay, not needed. This one, yeah, clear statement also have this is not included in PPT. Okay, clear was there or what in PPT? I think so. It is not there. Okay, no issue. So uh, concatenate explained already. First string, second string after concatenate. I have not explained in this much, but yeah, it's like something like that only I have explained. Okay, I'm going to okay, 1 minute. Okay, let me use clear first. Clear, clear is used to clear the data in the variable. Suppose I am going to clear the value in string 2. Okay, uh, WRIT, right? Here you can see I have done the out. I have displayed the output, but what is the output for? That one is not displayed, right? Suppose here I am doing translate, right? This one is translate, right? So here we can mention it, like suppose translate the sorry trans trans translate the string like this, comma. So there is information. Translate the string, right? So it is coming. Here you can put like this, and here you can color for one, right? Something look like this. Now good, looking good, right? Yeah. So like this also you can do for other offset where I have used offset. Here I have used colon. Yeah. So here you can do right here I can use offset the string value, right? See here, correct? Yes. So like same for this also, offset for values to here I am using concatenate. Okay, one concatenate the string value, correct? See, it is coming, right? Now Here I will use clearing the value in a string. So it is not displaying anything. Okay, so that means it is cleared. Now here giving skip, then it will come in the next line. Okay, and what the next? Clear the value, clear statement, output clear. Acha, just mentioning that. Yeah, now I will use this one. Suppose I am using this one. So before clearing, I will pass value in this. How to pass directly? Data like this you can pass equal to, no need to again and again declare the variable. Okay, so right now you can use this one str. Okay, so uh, 1 second, I will put slash. Slash means next line. Yeah, so it is cleared. After that, I'm clearing with star. Okay. Yeah, concatenate statement done. Concatenate condense, right? Condense statement. Let me copy this directly after condense. It will be faster. Okay. Let me here put some comment. Okay. Condense. Okay. No need of skip. Already. Okay. Skip. Leave it. Condense statement before condense. So I will take string. 2 is already cleared, right? I will take string first only. Okay, let me take string first. Okay, and how it is condensing, we can check. Okay, here I have not mentioned condense. You are capturing, right? Why it is not condense? Uh, this is a string condense. Okay, there is no gap, right? That's why it is not condensing. Let me do one thing. No gaps. Okay. See here. There is no gap, right? Got it? Correct. So no gap. I have told. So like that we can work. I have to finish this today, but time is limited. Not allowing me to complete. How to do this? Okay. Let me create some more string after condense. Again I will write. Okay, so here I what I will do, data Let me take one string str1. Okay, I am giving here more space. Okay, like this. Okay, then what I will do, condense condense gv underscore str1 with str1. Okay, let me print this. See here, there is more space, right? I have given, but it is condensed to single space. Okay, got it, right? So here I will mention with no gaps, with single gaps. Okay, so this one gaps is completed. Replace left. Yeah, I will cover this in the next only. This is big one actually. Okay, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so no any doubt, right? Okay. Yeah, thank you,
Thank you, sir.
thank you.